Now I analyze another logical function, IFNA function. IFNA function returns the your specified value if the formula returns this type of error. I nest the VLOOKUP function within an IFNA function. VLOOKUP function returns this type of error if no match is found in lookup range. This is the name of function. This function has two arguments. In value argument, an expression is entered that is checked this type of value error. In value IFNA argument, if the expression returns NA error, your specified value in this argument will appear in the desired cell. Click Cancel. Active this cell. In Formulas tab, Function Library Group, click Logical Arrow button. Click IFNA function. Click in Formula bar. Type VLOOKUP function. Open bracket. In lookup value argument, click this cell reference. This is lookup value. Enter comma. In table array box, select the table range. Click this cell. Press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Again press Ctrl Shift right arrow. Enter comma. In column index num argument, the first column of data table is called lookup range. Function will look up this value in the lookup range. This is column number 2. So type 2 in column index num argument. Enter comma. In range lookup argument, type false. Click after the close bracket, enter comma. In value IFNA argument, type your expression, inverted comma, type no match found. Again close bracket. How this formula work? If the lookup value is matched in the lookup range, then IFNA function returns the result of VLOOKUP function. If lookup value is not matched in the lookup range, then VLOOKUP function returns the NA error value. As a result, IFNA function returns the your specified value of value IFNA argument. Click OK. IFNA function returns the VLOOKUP function returns because lookup value is matched in lookup range. Click in formula bar. Make the absolute position of cell references range. Press F4. Click after the cell reference D9. Press F4. Then press enter. Again active this cell. Paste this formula in other cells. Double click. Active this cell. IFNA function returns no match found. because lookup value is not matched in the lookup range. Activity cell. You can see USA is not found in the country column. So if NA function returns the your specified value if NA error is found in an expression.